my name is Christian, and I would like to show you a couple of the really cool new features that we've just introduced with release 12.2 for mc² consoles. mc² 36, 56 and 96, effectively the entire range. Probably the biggest advancement we've done is we've added a new 7-band EQ to every DSP channel. So whether you use it in static mode, it's up to you, but you can also use up to 3 of the new bands in a dynamic mode, which means we do have a dynamic EQ in every processing path. We added touchscreen controls for those, so basically an interaction of the touchscreen and the controls on the surface to operate it. And basically, as you can also see, we have redesigned the entire main display to make room for the new 7-band EQ, but also a much more intuitive way to step between different processing modules, which are now all aligned in one row at the bottom. Another great addition we've added to software 12.2 is the ability to have more mini displays per channel bay. So previously we had a mini display per channel strip. Now we can have a second or even a third row of mini displays to provide more overview of processing modules and their current status. And of course, because that comes with a lot of additional benefits, we had the request to put in another ability to basically change between different layouts of channel displays quickly. That's something I can show you here. So if we push that button, we see they immediately go away from these 3 mini displays, but instead get a number of additional aux assignments and group bus assignments visible. So you can really see a lot of the contributions, everything that happens in your bus contribution environment. And then hitting that button again brings you back to more DSP information, additional metering. So it's a great way to change the layout and the information that you can see as an operator at a single push of a button. Also, we've added a feature that allows you to operate, especially useful on the 56, to operate the banks and layers decentrally, not just only from the touchscreen, but we have created a functionality where you can have that as an additional operational mode for the fader user buttons. So hitting that button turns the fader user buttons into bank and layer switching buttons, which means now I have physical hardware controls in every bay to change between banks and layers of that respective bay. As always, we've made another set of improvements on the custom functionalities based on OSC, so we've integrated even more devices based on OSC. There's great new functionality to integrate with QLab in 12.2. There is the integration with the Waves SoundGrid platform and the Waves Live Mix platform based on their immersive capabilities, which is also part of 12.2, and a bunch of other great features that you can check out in the release notes if you want. 12.2 is available right now, and it's for all mc² consoles. We're looking forward to a lot of happy customer faces. Thank you.